Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
And here's our sweet potato. First thing we're going to do is peel it. As you can see, I'm using a white sweet potato. And we're going to cut the ends off first because they're almost useless just being pointy like they are. Then we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to take each one of these sections and cut French fries thick slices, okay? So as thick as you want. But be careful because they're pretty tough to get through even with a sharp knife. So once you get one, get your second layer out. Just like so. I told you they're tough. Then you've got some pieces that you can start cutting your individual French fries out of. And just take them long ways like this. And once you got a good pile like this out of one potato, you're ready for the fryer. It's 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. In the meantime, here's some mayonnaise. I'm going to make some dressing here with some barbecue sauce and just a little bit of soy. Get that whipped up real good and just mix it till it's smooth. Now there's a second dressing you can do, again starting with mayonnaise and sriracha, just to make a spicy mayo. This is excellent for sweet potato fries. And again, just mix that up till it's smooth. And now our fries should be done. Let's have a look. Yep. They look just like regular French fries, don't they? But they're a lot better. All you gotta do is throw it down on some paper towels. And you want to use seasoned salt, not regular kosher. Seasoned salt will really help the flavor and the sweetness here in these sweet potato French fries. Now we're ready to plate. And there you have it. Sweet potato fries right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMan'sGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.